Hey guys, I know it's a bit dark, but I'm in my parents' bedroom, and we're going to see some fireworks. This, where I'm filming right now, is outside. This is bedroom. Window. So yeah, we're just waiting, and it's gonna scare the crap out of me. I know. Hope you guys enjoy the fireworks. Nothing's happening yet, guys. I swear. There's going to be something that you don't want. Look, they're coming. Fireworks are coming soon. It takes a bit long, but who cares? Let's see what they are. Oh. Don't worry, it does that. They're like over here. Look. Okay, they're down there. Going more. Okay, just put them down, Dad. Okay. Right, seriously, put them down somewhere. Okay, there. It's going to be a very, very, very safe distance. And, okay, I think this is going to be extremely loud, so I'm just going to go in the other room when the lights out, and then I'm just going to plug my ears, so then you have to, face the annoying sound. It's already been 2 minutes and 41 seconds, but who cares? Okay. He's calling almost everyone, so we just have to wait. Okay, fireworks are at that colored thing there. And he's coming. What the hell is wrong? Seriously. Don't you dare get those flowers. I picked them once again. Okay, he's lighting them. I'm going to go now. Bye. Whoa! Oh my god, that's so cool. It's not that loud as I expected it to be, so I'm staying here. More? That was so cool. Okay, I think that's the end. Well, that's all. And I hope you enjoyed. Bye!